You can expect a lot from the 2011 BMW X3. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.